What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Market up or market down. The market was up today. Pretty strong day in the markets. Didn't even fill this little gap here. So let's check out the brokerage account, and boom, we did sell ELB at a 508.05. So let's get that on the spreadsheet. It's a nice hit for us. For how small our account is, it may not seem like a lot of money, but remember, your number one objective is to secure your financial stability. I recommend, follow the Ramsey method and all that up to a certain point. If you don't have any money, you got to figure out how to go get it. But for me personally, got some medical stuff, so stock market was my way. It's a great vehicle to make money. It just is. All right, so next one, CNXC, 2 shares, $49.30. Big drop here you can see between the first purchase and the second purchase. And ends up into a conservative gain, but that's how we roll. All right, so for the month so far, we have $14.50. What does that mean? We hit our monthly goal already, and things are going well. Let's go ahead and take a look. Big picture before we kill it for the month. Market's up 1.8%. So the market is beating us. It's good to be aware of that. But we're still pulling chips off of the table, which increases the safety, in my humble opinion. And all you need to know is life is good, making money. So remember that our investing account is basically the market, so it's going up the same as that. So if you're new to the smart stock market, go ahead and click off the video, leave a like, and subscribe on your way out. And for the real bag holders, let's get into the main account. It was a quiet day. I was ready. My mom told me the stock market was closed. She was wrong. But was still able to get in there and get some work done. So first things first, Walgreens. I believe we talked about this on the Saturday video that was for Friday. We did get in here on this nice little swing trade. So let's get that added in. How y'all doing, man? Y'all good? I hope you're navigating the waters well. One good litmus test you can do for your strategy is the market's all-time highs. It's going crazy. And if you ain't making any money, there's something wrong. Okay? And that's that. We did get an extra dividend from QQQY, which is really wild. And then we had ELV on the flip. Was a triple bullet, so very nice. Wasn't enough to trigger anything for the charity, but you can see from the 30 RSI here, it went against us, and then it recovered quite nicely, and we're getting in here to fill up this space here. So very nice there on the flip. We'll go ahead and get the spreadsheet up to date with that. I was hoping I'd get another sell along the way. We have some swing trades that are very close, but if it don't fit, don't force it, and we'll just kind of wait it out, But we have cash. We're safe, and we'll just play it out. And remember, all these little little wins here, even though they're not put into the charity or whatever, they allow us to trade bigger. And that's the big deal there. The only other thing I did today is a little silver. There wasn't any premium for today, so I took the Wednesday. I got to get out at 29. That's where I got assigned. So we did that for SLV. $10.16, I believe. Yep, there we go. $10.16. And I got $13 a share contract, and all that money went into the QQQY. So the monthly passive income just increased. So we actually do have some money. Let's take a look here. We could do like 7. We got like 7 bullets. So let's go ahead and go through and see if there's anything to swing trade and get on with our day. CNXC had a great day too. It was just not quite enough. I mean, it got just smashed right as soon as we bought it, and the timing and everything. And that's a lot of times what happens too. Also, we had a buy order here, 58. Usually if it gets over 60, I'm like, yeah, no. But we'll let it go one more day. So there's one of them. So we got 6 left. We had a swing trade entry. It was very strong. Obviously, that shows you that it's a good signal and that it's reliable. It's not certain or every time or anything like that, but it's reliable and it works more than half the time. And if you manage your risk along the way, you can make a lot of money. These are the bag holder positions. All right, so I'm not seeing much, and that should be a telling sign too that the market is straight up all-time highs, and there aren't many value stocks that are really doing anything. So that's typical. It's called risk on versus risk off, right? So if you're curious what's running, take a look at Bitcoin, take a look at some of the higher tech stocks. And we're in a situation where there are a lot of layoffs. Forget what you think you hear about tight labor. It's false, in my opinion. Not in the world, at least, that I live in. There are huge amounts of layoffs. And if you're a shareholder or a stockholder, those savings go directly to the bottom line. It's a sad situation, but it boosts stock price violently, quickly, and that's what I see, And if the market starts to turn down, people will go into value, and that will boost those prices along. They don't run at the same pace at the same time, but they get close to the same destination in the end. So just keep that in mind. That's the way I see it. And remember, not your freaking financial advisor. This is just free video on YouTube. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But a few minutes a day, I'm just scrolling through what's in my universe. This is my trading plan. Hopefully you can formulate your own trading plan based off what you learn here and other places. But you have to make your own decisions. And you can see that it definitely works, right? We just peeled off all of the money for the public account minus NUS, which just tanked. It just did. And you'll have those. But not to say that it won't make money in the future, but we're just going to be cautious on putting more money into it. That's it. There's not a lot on the screener. The market's very strong. So that's it. So nice, easy day. Let's take a look here. Excuse me, at the timer. Wrong button. 10 minutes. You know, people that have 10 minutes a day to make thousands of dollars a day. Come on, man. Come on, man. We did good today. We made some money. Hope you did too. If you did, let me know down below. If you're still here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And share this with somebody that you like. I mean, if you really want them to do well in life, or even if you don't want them to ask you for money, share the video so that way they can learn how to do it for themselves. Most people won't, so don't get butthurt if they don't take it and run with it. But there are a few that will. I certainly did. And I didn't have anybody in real life that could help give me these lessons. So here we are virtually on YouTube, which is where I found my mentors. And it's all for free. It's all love. And it's just people helping people, which is the way it should be. So thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.